Your Majesty, I am tired of Okeke's wahala. I am here to complain to you so that when I strike, nobody should blame you. Nobody should blame me.
Icheken, do, please. I've heard all you said. I understand your complaint. But please, I need you to do me a favor, which is leave everything in my hands. I will handle everything. Please, I don't want you to do anything funny with him. You know, both of you are my cabinet members. What if an outsider hears that both of you are fighting? What do you expect them to think or do? Please, just allow me handle it. And I promise you everything will be well.
Igwe, you better do, because I'm losing it.
Please, calm down. Don't lose it. I know what you can do, please.
Igwe.
Thank you. Just calm down, trust me.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. I have to call this man and talk to him.
Hi! Mama!
What is it? Ogini,
Why me?
what is it?
Ogini now? My husband is dead! Why should I be a widow at this age?
No,
my husband!
It's okay.
You get better be sure.
Sorry.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Yo.
Take it easy.
Somebody as wicked as this girl. You diverted the money my son sent to us to eat for your family use.
Odili, what did I do wrong now? Why did you have to push me like that?
Only pushing.
Wait, you are still talking. Ordinary pushing, you still have man to talk. Wait until he beats you up. You still man to talk. Get out from here. Wait! Wicked woman.
Will you share my point before Mary now? Before calling.
My husband!
Rose, what happened?
Nothing.
Why are you crying?
When did you come back from the city?
I came last night. I talked to Papa and the response I got from him wasn't encouraging. So I decided to come see you. Rose, is it true?
Is what true?
That your husband's people are maltreating you.
Don't worry.
Just listen, like I told you, Papa already told me everything and how it happened. The worst thing that can happen to any woman is to cry in her marriage. I don't want you to die.
Nobody's dying. Nobody's dying.
So where's your son, Nike, now?
He's fine, he's inside.
Alright, let's go inside, let me see. Stop crying, eh?
Oh, I'm here to take care of you.
It's okay.
Your Majesty.
I have warned you before. I don't want to repeat this again. How can you be behaving like you're a woman and a chair of your level, listening to gossips and hearsays? Well, you should at least have the benefit of that. After everything I had told you, why don't you just find out whether your son actually sent the money?
Your Majesty, with all due respect, I will crave your indulgence to grant me the opportunity of correcting a wrong impression.
What impression are you correcting? Okay, go on, correct the impression.
Good. Your Majesty, first, I am not a woman. Neither do I behave like a woman. Secondly, I am not a gossip. Neither do I listen to gossips. The truth of the matter is that my son sends money every month for our upkeep through his wife. But what does she do? She diverts the whole money for her own family upkeep, leaving us to suffer and wallow in poverty.
It's okay again. Here you go again. Let me ask you something. Have you ever called this woman, sat her down to have a discussion, ask her her own part of the story?
Your Majesty, you don't seem to know the woman we're talking about. If I call her, she would not come, knowing full well that she has committed so much atrocities against us.
Yeah, just listen to yourself. You have run into conclusions without even calling her. That's why I asked you that question. The answer now is no. You've never called her. As an elder, you should use your tongue to count your teeth. Call her, sit her down, ask her, and find out exactly what has happened. You can't just run into conclusions like that. Huh? Listen, don't use this thing to ruin your family and spoil your relationship with Dikeh. Go and check.
Your Majesty, I've heard you.
Can't just be jumping into conclusions like that.
I would like to take my leave now.
It's okay. Say me well to your family.
It's alright, Your Majesty.
Let's find out the truth. What's he behaving like this? An elder should use his tongue to count his teeth.
Where is she?
Where is she?
Eh?
Nala!
Nala, not one Nona.
Come outside!
Here! Nonsense! Rubbish. Get here.
Come outside!
Ah!
Where is she?
Nene. Other Megini.
Adobe.
Eh?
Adikwa mma. Why people shout?
Sha! So you looked at us and you opened your mouth and said that we were shouting. Eh?
Imagine.
You're mad. You're very stupid by saying that. Oh, my brother's money has turned your head. And you think you can open your mouth and talk anyhow and insult us. Eh? See, you're leaving this house today. You are leaving this house today. Wham! Nonsense.
Odile.
That's my name. My beautiful name.
Rose, I personally followed Odile to this place as mother that I am. I will not watch you destroy our family. You have to leave this house immediately.
Adobe.
Huh?
Even you? A married woman like me?
I said.
A married woman? Haven't you destroyed my home? I hope you're happy. You're satisfied. Where are you going? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going?
Hey, who's this?
Who's this?
Okay.
You
Wait!
this house.
You want to kill my sister? You want to kill my sister? Oh, you should leave her alone. Do you want to kill her for me? Do you want to kill her? Leave her alone. Your sister is leaving this house today.
Immediately.
Now. Thank God you said your brother's house. Thank God you said your brother's house, not your house. If anybody's going to leave this house, it is you and you.
It is you that will leave this house.
Yes. Watch me do it. Watch me. Hey,
You must leave this house.
Hey!
You must leave
When am I doing Yembo? Am I doing
You must
Yembo?
leave this house.
Eh?
You must leave this house. I must leave this house.
Hey! I'm going here! Hey! When am I doing Yembo? Ejimia!
You must leave this house.
Ejimia!
Okay, don't know what.
This is what we are saying. Is there any evidence before? Okeke is still insisting.
Insisting on what?
Okeke is insisting. What of the evidences I've given you people?
Which evidence?
Have you looked thoroughly into the evidence?
Enough! Let there be some order here. After all, when Ichie Okeke and Ichie Ekenna decided they wanted to be in-laws, nobody forced them. Nobody. And so if today they have decided to go their separate ways, it is not in our place to confirm it. Our own is to advise them as members of the cabinet. If they take it, okay. If they don't take it, it is for them to decide.
Your Majesty, with all due respect, it's not a question of our going our separate ways. I cannot sit here and make decision on this matter. It is not in my place to. My son will decide on what he wants as far as marriage is concerned. What I'm saying here is the money that my son has been sending to us through his daughter, that he converted to himself, renovated his house, and the remaining one holding in his house. I want that money refunded, period.
Which money are you talking about?
Will you keep quiet?
Who can keep quiet?
Keep quiet, I'm talking, you are still talking.
I can knock you. Who are you?
Feeding on my son's sweat.
Listen to me, Ichie Okeke. This is the last time I will warn you about this matter. First, do not interrupt me whenever I am talking. Allow me finish and conclude. Do not accuse people falsely. I have told you time and time again that there is no evidence to show that your son has been sending money to his daughter. So please, allow this matter die here and now. You can't be accusing people falsely. And please, next time, do not interrupt me when I am talking.
Igwe, you've spoken well. Thank you very much.
Oh, Igwe has spoken well, Igwe.
Oh yes, very well.
Exactly. Odema, Igwe, my elders, I want to thank you very well for the sound judgment that you've given in this particular issue. It is quite clear, I mean it's obvious, that there is no evidence I will give in this case that you will ever not say, Igwe, you have spoken well. Oh yes. So, can I leave now?
Ichie Okeke, you have been a cabinet member for a while now. You know our procedure. You cannot leave. We have other issues to discuss.
Let him go. Let him go.
Will you keep quiet? When I'm talking, keep quiet.
Who will keep quiet?
So, you want to tie me here, right? Tie me and tell me I shouldn't go. I'm only respecting the Igwe. Igwe, like I said now, I'm just respecting you because there's no way I will walk out on you. But I want to beg. I want to crave on your indulgence to please grant me the permission to leave because I have several pressing issues that I need to attend to. Please, so that you will not be angry that I walk out on you.
You can't go.
No, tie me down.
Why are you walking out?
Enough.
Stop begging.
Please let him go.
Go. Yes, that's another sound judgment.
Come and hold me. Go where you spoke.
Go to your house.
I'm off here.
Nonsense.
It's okay. Let him go. Today is not cabinet meeting. Allow him, since an elder does not want to be properly advised. His case will be like the fly that followed the corpse to the grave. Cabinet members must always behave like cabinet members.
Oh, yes. And you are going to pay me back. Yes, but what? How are you?
Can you imagine? Eh? What kind of rubbish is this? Rose's saving grace that day was I got there at the right time. If not, her husband's siblings, they would have beaten her mercilessly, forcing her to leave her husband's house. Huh?
My son, I know where you are coming from. But it is not ideal for you to go to someone's house and fight him or her. They might tag it to another thing. And the whole world will blame you. You don't have to go to someone's house and fight him or her.
Yeah, Papa, I know. So what do we do now? What do we do? Because my sister is going through a lot in that marriage.
I am involved because they say blood is thicker than water. I warned their sister not to marry in that family, but she refused. Now, see what is happening. Love was killing her and the Julius then.
But she's not to be blamed. Nobody should blame her. It's not her fault, but the fault of her husband's siblings. They are the one fighting her, giving her trouble.
I know, but the last time she came back, I told her not to go back. For her to stay till the husband looked for her. But she couldn't listen to me. What do you want me to do?
Alright, fine. So Papa, like I said, what do we do now? What is the solution?
The case is before the Igwe and the council.
Okay.
The last time we discussed about this issue in the palace, Okeke was warned to stop his family from troubling my daughter Rose.
Very good.
See?
Very good. So what did he say?
Okeke walked out on us.
What?
Indicating that he did not accept the Igwe's verdict.
That means he's looking for war. He's ready for war, and Papa, we will give it to him. We are not scared of them, oh. We will fight that war with them. We will give it to them. Who does he think he is?
My son, see, no good thing comes out of war. Hold on. Let them start first. Oh? Manyoko.
What nonsense?
If Rose had listened to me, all these things wouldn't have happened. Okay.
Look at the way my sister is looking so haggard. They're giving her trouble all the time.
If Rose had listened to me, all these things wouldn't have been there.
What is here? Money. Again. Why is this woman refusing to change? Why is she refusing to repent? I don't know. Why is she denying us of what is rightfully ours? Huh? I mean, what have we done wrong that deserves this kind of punishment is given to us? This time around, either I will take her, leave my daughter, or I will die soon. Audrey, it's not a question of her leaving my son's house or you die. I think what we need to do is to get to Julius and stop him from sending money to us through that woman. Because now he's thinking that we are getting the money, meanwhile we are not getting it. Let's stop her now. She will finish it all. It's alright. Just calm down, yeah? I know what to do. I know what to do. You want to call my friend? Okay. Quite a while though. Where am I going?
Are you not my friend? Eh? I mean, you don't need to ask for a loan before I give you money now. Eh? Look, everybody in this village knows that you are my friend. Eh? Just take this and manage it. But the way you are behaving these days, I don't understand again. Oh. I too don't understand. But okay, never mind. Eh? Just take this money. Go and buy some food stuff for your own family. I would have done it myself, but you know, for an Ije like me to carry food stuff to your house, it's not proper. Eh? So take the money and give you from the bottom of my...
Okay. Thank you very much.
Don't mention.
In fact, this money is so heavy. This kind of money you give to me at this hard time, this is serious.
Why are you talking like this because of change like this? Eh?
Thank you very much.
In fact, I would have given you.
All the same, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Send my greetings to your family. Dikeh himself. Bad man.
My in-law, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You know, when you visit me like this, I am happy because you are my in-law. And I know the tradition of our people. As you came like this, I am supposed to give you cola. But right now, it is not possible. And you know the reason. I'm sure you know. Oh, you don't know?
No.
As we speak, there is no dime in this house. Kobo, shishi, we don't have. And you are the cause. Yes. In fact, the money that my son sends to us for upkeep, your daughter has been diverting all the money that my son has been sending to us for our upkeep. You know now, I would have given you cola. Every month. And now look at you, you are looking very fresh and we are all suffering. You see? That is why I can't give you cola.
Is she okay, Kel?
Yes.
Don't bother yourself. That is not one of the reasons why I'm here.
Oh, okay.
I'm here to ask you to bring back my daughter to my house from where you took her. Since you and your family doesn't want her as a wife here.
You know now, as an Iche that you are, you know the tradition of our people. If you want us to come and collect your daughter, I am not the one that married her. So it's my son that married her. So if you want us to bring her back by ourselves, you wait for my son who married her now, so that when he returns, he can return your daughter for you.
Then why don't you stop bothering my daughter pending the return of your son? But if I may ask, why do you and your household bent on killing my daughter before her time? Please let this be the last time I will come here to warn you.
But who is talking about killing here? Did you hear me mention killing? But by the way, is it not better she dies?
Yeah?
Yes now. Instead of her to use hunger to beat us by diverting all the money my son sends to you, you looking fresh and we are dying. Is it not better for one person to die than the whole family to die?
Okay. Is she okay?
Yes.
Since it is your tradition to kill people, go ahead and kill my daughter, and I will make sure that you don't see this guy again for the rest of your life.
Ah, Ikenna?
Yes?
You dare come to my house to threaten me?
Who is threatening? I'm threatening you.
You threaten me? You dare threaten the village wrestler?
Yes.
The village champion?
Who are you?
The wrestler?
Go and sit down.
Will you shut up?
You are a mad.
Now get out of my house.
You are a scallywag.
Can you imagine?
A bisaga like you.
You are stupid.
You are an idiot.
You came to my...
Look at the expired beer. You are talking to me.
You call yourself ex-military man?
Yes.
The one that fought with Dengo. Did you fight?
Second World War.
Is it no place you went to watch in the barrack?
Try and touch my daughter again. I'll keep you where you will stay for the rest of your life.
Let me tell you, I am the wrestler, the champion. If I handle you,
you cannot do anything.
I will tell you to
you
visit.
Can't.
Now get out from here, idiot.
Is this a house?
Non-entity like you.
A scallywag, a bisaga like you. An animal.
Don't have money. Were you eating before? If not for my son's money.
How you are.
Idiot. Go inside and see what you have inside.
Nothing is there.
Is it because you are taking all our money? You use our money to buy protectors in your house.
You can only give what you have. You have hunger and you bring hunger to people.
Baka, go punish you. Go punish your family. I'm not here. You are envying them. I'm not here. Get out from here if I break your head. Go punish you. Idiot. Look at you. You come to my house to insult me. Who are you?
Idiot. See how you are backing like a dog.
Nonsense. It's your father, your generation that is backing like a dog. I will use this to break your head. Why are you running? Idiot. I don't fear. Have the guts to come and threaten me in my own house. Look, I am a village champion, a wrestler. You call yourself a military man with a damn gun. Did you fight? You were washing plates in the barrack. Idiot. Come here again.
It's okay. What did you say happened that brought up this matter again?
Thank you very much, Igwe. Igwe, you know that my son lives in Germany and he earns his money as hard currency. So when he sends the money to Nigeria and they change it, it becomes plenty. And that was why he was sending us money every month for our upkeep. But unfortunately...
Okay. We've heard enough of this, your son, who is in Germany or where sending money all the time. Even when you change the money, even if it's a big basket. Just go straight to the point. What happened?
Igwe, this matter was laid to rest and resurrected. Yes, because right now, my son sent money a few days ago to Ross. And what happened? The same Ross, the daughter, let me show you, diverted the money to him for them to consume. Look at it. Just look at the letter. The evidence is there. So what I'm saying, Igwe, tell him to go and meet the daughter, to bring the money so that we can share it. We collect our own portion. I'm not saying she should not get from it too, but I want our portion.
This letter I'm looking at shows that your son sent money to you recently.
You see?
The paper doesn't lie. But how are we sure that this one is not lying?
Igwe, this cannot lie. You saw it now, black and white. It can't lie now.
It's written by human being.
It's okay.
Are you okay?
But what I want to ask you, listen to me carefully. The person that brought this letter and said your son sent money, how come he or she does not bring the money that was sent with the letter?
Igwe, she gives the money to his daughter. She does not give it to us directly. It's through the daughter.
And you do not have the phone number of your son to call him and ask him if it is true, speak with him one-on-one to be sure that he actually sent money.
That is the problem, Igwe. The number of my son is the wife Rose that has it, and she refused giving it to us. That is the problem we're having. If not, I would have called him now.
So, you don't have the number of your son, or even thank him for the one that he brought?
He's with Rose and the father.
Yes, because of her evil doings.
Shut up. Keep quiet there. Shut up. So are you trying to tell me that when your son sends some money, you don't thank him? You don't call him on the phone to thank him? Are you orderly? In fact, you are the cause of this problem. Sit down. I don't want you to say anything here again. Look at you, a grown-up. Sit down. A grown man like you with all the hairs all over your body. Somebody will give you a letter that is supposed to contain money. You collect the letter and you will not ask for the money. And you don't even have your brother's phone number. How do you call him to send money? Huh? In fact, you are the cause of this problem that I'm seeing here. A grown man like you.
At this age, no Facebook contact, no WhatsApp.
Oh, Abunda.
Hey, don't show yourself. Do you have Facebook?
Everybody should not talk.
Everybody should not.
Just because you hear your children mentioning Facebook, don't say you know WhatsApp. But I don't want to hear your voice.
At this jet age, you should have your son's number. You are only collecting money, you don't have the number. Well, as far as I'm concerned, this matter is closed. It has been settled before. Can't continue dwelling on the same thing over and
Your Majesty, I thank you so much. Because since you came into this matter, you've been handling it like a wise man, which you are. Exactly. Almighty God will bless you. Is she okay here? I've been my good friend, my in-law, and a fellow cabinet member, which will continue to be. I don't have a problem with him.
Hey, it's okay. Marian.
Greet me. Get out from here. I'm off here. Are you pushing me? Get out. Idiot.
I sacrifice my love only to be accused of what I know nothing about. I sacrifice my love only to be accused of what I know nothing about. I beg to eat, but they don't get to know. Yes, in a merry, I come on the water. And a poor on a mono, and a barama kebe. I come on the water, Obimu the water.
Your mother warned you never to see you again. The others are going to come see you. She took me.
Onye kanga koro yanya munafu. Onye kanga koro yanya munafu. Chimu batara musa ika bugomo. 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 Onye kam mejoro, onye kam megidere.
This why your face is like this. I hope all is well.
How can all be well? Huh? How can all be well? In fact, I am on my way to your house. Thank God I met you here now. Okay, let's go to my house so that we'll talk. Let's talk here. Alright, I'm not here. Both of us are members of Igwe cabinet, right? You are my president in this community, right? And I give you money at will. And you collect at will, right? Now, I never knew you are very bad. You are not good at all. As a matter of fact, you are not straightforward. You are a wicked person. I don't understand what you're saying. You don't understand what you're saying. Let me make you understand. Each time we are in Igwe's meeting, Igwe in council's meeting, and the issue between me and the federal family of control, what do you do? You don't support me. try to get. In the Igbo's palace, everybody believes that Rose have not collected anything from your son at all. And everything people have been talking about, it's all lies, and you want me to support that. And you support them against me, right? If I don't, so should I be standing alone? Whether we should be standing alone. When you want to collect money from me, you stand alone to collect it. And now you're asking me whether you should be standing alone. Is that right? I will equally not stand alone in calculating how much you have taken from me. I will calculate every single time you collected from me. Yes, and you will pay me back.
Yes, but why? Why? Because I am not a charity organization. Okay.
That is my name. Look, don't let anybody hear our voices about this matter. Have a nice day.
That's it. If you move, I shoot. Come here. What is going on? Do not mess with me. Ever sit corner with me. This one you took police to my house. What is it?
Mr. Man, you are under arrest for beating up an elderly man.
Lie! Me?
Oh, yeah, move.
How? No. Officer, it's a false accusation. I never beat any elderly man. Why are you lying?
You better keep quiet. We'll get to the station for confirmation.
The lion will wake up, my friend. Keep going.
niru pampete na so solomon bo solomon do kwa. Mele niru pampete na so solomon bo solomon do kwa. She's a bad girl with evil agenda. How could I know? She's a bad girl with evil agenda. How could I know? She's a bad girl with evil agenda. How could I know?
Thank you very much. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good.
How was the journey?
Well, thank God. It was fine. Please, where is my wife?
She went out. Yes, but the keys were in our house. Let me get it.
That's very good. Thank you very much. Feels good to be home.
You bad person.
Oh, you're here.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
And every secret will be revealed for the truth.
Pick up. Hello, Rose. Rose, it's me, Tina. I'm fine. How about you? Rose, I am calling to inform you that your husband is back. Rose, I am not playing. Yes. Few minutes ago. And I have given him the key already. Yes. So just hurry up, okay? Hurry up. All right. Take care of yourself. Oh God. Thank you, Lord. At last, this woman would have a complete rest of mind and enjoy her marriage. Rose, my friend.
For the truth. Yeah.
My son.
Papa.
It has not been easy with us.
At all.
I'm telling you, we suffered. See, that money you are saying you've been sending to us, we didn't receive a dime. A couple.
Papa, you don't mean what you just said.
Yeah. Who have you been sending to?
I've been sending money to my wife through her friend Susan. I think I've sent over 10 million.
What? Oh, when it came home.
Susan has been telling us that she's been giving money to Rose.
Yes. Over 10 million, Mama.
But she didn't give us a couple out of that money.
She.
No, there must be a mix-up somewhere.
We only saw letters instructing us on how to share the money. Ego Kwano, Kokoroko.
I'm sure there's a mix-up somewhere.
Adam.
How are you? Ada, how are you?
As you can see, I'm managing. I heard that you're back, so I decided to come welcome you. So how is Germany?
Well, thank God. Well, Papa was just telling me about your husband's death. I'm really sorry about that. Okay? I want you to know that God has his own way of doing things. Okay?
Brother, I know this is not the right time to say this. Honestly, I didn't like the role your wife Rose played during my husband's illness. I will never forgive her for keeping back the money you sent for my husband's treatment.
I think you made lots of mistakes here. You made lots of mistakes.
Which mistakes are you talking about?
Papa, Mama, you should have taken out time to call me.
With which number?
The number I wrote on the letters I sent now.
We did not see any number. What we saw was letters instructing us on how.
Hey! You see Miyake? Gucci, one neck. Hey, when did you even tell me you're coming back? Why?
Brother, I just wanted to surprise you people.
You're going to say, man, at Germany. You're going to say, man, I'm the good kid. You won't get me. Hey, again, that. Even tell me
that. Hey!
Odili, it's okay now. We are discussing real business here, serious business. Yeah, go inside. You see all those letters that your brother has been sending? Go and bring all of them.
Papa, sometimes don't cut people's destiny. Biko. Check them police is your ma biko man. And then all that man, just say that I'm coming.
Hey, so my son, it has not been easy.
Odili is a character.
Odili?
Papa, I'm sure there was a mix-up somewhere. Very sure.
And that's the letters.
These are the letters I sent now.
Yeah.
These are the letters I sent. And yes, this is where I wrote my...
What is the matter?
What is this? Who did this?
Huh? Were you not the one who wrote them?
I was the one who wrote this letter and I wrote my number right here. Who wiped... Papa, I'm very sure the person who received this letter erased my number. This is where I wrote my number.
Hey! You see?
Because this is where I wrote it.
You see? You see? This is a criminal act. And whoever did it must be punished, prosecuted. I'm sure it is Rose that did it. It is Rose. You see, what did we do to this woman self that deserves this punishment she's giving to us?
She killed my husband.
Papa, it's alright. Don't worry. I'll get to the root of all this. I'll get to the root of all this.
You see?
We're going to see him. You see Daddy today. Let's go and make you something to eat.
Papa, Mama, I think I have to start going back to my house. I'll see you before you leave.
Julius, you know you just came. And we can't have enough of you. If it were possible, I would have suggested we carried that to your massive building and mount it here. You know, going up and down is big work now.
It's not possible now. It's not possible.
Julius,
Mama,
I wept for you. I cried for you. Apart from the fact that Rose kept back the money you sent to us, that girl is a harlot. She brings in men into your house in the presence of your son.
Imagine.
Iliha put one after the other. Put one after the other.
Oh, Mama, with what she did to these letters, I'm very sure she could even do worse than you said.
Thank God you know.
The other day, I saw her kissing and romancing a man. It's
alright, Mama. I have to leave now. I'll see you guys in the evening.
I attack Germany. Now that's your wife, eh? It's terrible. Yeah. Dalunke nkaka, nkupia. Dalankaka, nkupia.
Don't be a devil to me. Unfriendly friends.
I can't wait for him to see that you've grown into a very handsome young looking man. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Honey!
Where have you been? Because I've not seen you since I got back.
Oh, I went to see the pastor and someone told me you were back. I had to rush home to make something for you. Who deserved?
Same pastor. So it is true. It is true that you've been sleeping with the pastor and so many other men.
Excuse me. Wait a minute.
Is that why you never bothered to call us to know how we're doing? And no information on your return? Really?
Wait. You're trying to deny it, huh? Very well. Explain this. No, explain this!
Oh, come on, darling. This was the day the pastor came to my shop and Susan equally came same day. So she asked that we take a picture. So we posed.
So what about the other men that you've been seeing?
Honey, you are pushing this too far. I mean, I'm sure this is not how you want to be welcomed home after a very long time. Please, let's just go and eat. I will talk about it later.
You think I wouldn't hear what you did? You think I wouldn't hear what you do? You have been prostituting in this village and you have the right to bring...
Don't you ever call me a prostitute!
Are you stupid? Are you crazy? How dare you? How dare you come in this house? Are you insane?
What is it this night? Huh?
Papa, it's Julius.
Julius, is he back?
He came back today. Papa, they are all accusing me of something I know nothing about. Papa, he wouldn't even allow me explain myself. Before he started beating me and he sent me out of his house.
Stop crying and listen to me now. Now, listen. I don't know what is wrong between you and your husband. And I cannot say anything. Except that you should go back and sort it out with him now.
I said that he beats me and threw me out of his house.
You should go back to him. He is your husband, your choice of husband.
Please, I don't want to go back there just nice. Please, I don't want to go there.
Rose, you must have to go back. Remember that I refused him marrying you initially, but you threatened to kill yourself, accepting the whole consequences. Could anything have happened to you along the line? Your brother Akachuku came back from the city and was in a total war. He was in police custody before he was buried and went back to the city. Just because of you. Now, go back and carry your cross alone and stop disturbing my life.
Papa. Papa.
Go and marry. Go and marry Julius and leave me.
Stop. Move. Shut up! Mother, shut up! Move! Move! Shut up! Hold that door. Shut up! This man, he kills you. Stop. Shut up! This man! I'm gonna yell up! No more side! Why not?